And if there's a little bit of water on the bottom, just fluff it up like this, and then you can cook it for a few more minutes. Can you cook rice in the air fryer? Yes. Let me show you how. You will need an air fryer safe pan or bowl, and you could use like a Pyrex bowl or some sort of like cake pan. This is 3 inches deep. You can do like 3 to 4 inches deep, and then this is 7.5 to 8 inches in diameter. And this is almost the largest size that will fit inside of my air fryer. So depending on your air fryer will depend on the size of pan that you can use. And now I have 1 cup of rice, and this is enriched rice, so you don't pre-rinse it. But if you are not using enriched rice, then you are going to want to rinse that rice a few times. Put that in there. And then I have 2 cups of water, and I am using filtered water because my tap water is really gross. I'll put that in there. There we go, easy as that. I'll remove my air fryer basket here, and we're gonna just put this right in there, like so. So you can see I could probably use a little bit bigger pan if I wanted to cook more rice. And now I'm going to take some foil, and I'm just going to wrap it around the top of this, kind of loosely. And then into the air fryer it goes. And then I have my air fryer set to air fry. It's at 385 Fahrenheit, which is like right around 195 Celsius. And then I'm going to set the time between 25 and 30 minutes. I usually put it around 27, 28 minutes, and that does the trick. And then just turn it on and let it do its thing. And when the time is up, go ahead and check it. Now, depending on your air fryer, you may need 5 to 10 minutes longer, just depends. I'm gonna take a peek here. Looking good. Put this basket away. And I'm just gonna fluff this up a little bit. Nice. And if there's a little bit of water on the bottom, just fluff it up like this, and then you can cook it for a few more minutes. That is how you cook rice in the air fryer. And then you could use the rice for whatever dish that you want to use it for. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Awesome.